This is a student down question. The position of x of a particle with respect to time t along x-axis is given by x is equal to 9t square minus t cube, where x is in meters and t in seconds. What will be the position of this particle when it achieves maximum speed along positive x directions? ठीक है जी. So in this question we have to ask the position of particle in particular interval of time. So we start first. What we have given, x is equal to 9t square minus t cube, means position of particle along x-axis with respect to time, and we know that with respect to time means derivative with respect to time. So dx over dt, it gives us to 9 t raised to power 2, so 2 into t2 minus 1 minus 3 into t3 minus 1. So after simplify, dx by dt is equal to 18 t, 2 minus 1 1, so there is no need to write 1, minus 3 t, 3 minus 1 2, 3 square. So we also know that dx by dt gives us velocity. So velocity at particular, so v is equal to 18t minus 3t square. Now the next condition, what will be the position of particle when it achieves maximum speed along positive x direction? So there is a concept, we have to cover it with our question. So here we can say speed or also velocity, or also we can say speed, because in question we have given speed. So speed, and next thing, for maximum speed, we have a condition, ठीक है, v maximum at dv over dt must equal to 0. This is the condition for maximum speed. So how this condition comes? This condition comes for the concept of maxima and minima. Let's throw some light on it. In question they say in positive x directions. So positive x directions, we are here. So let graph versus velocity and time. So let's my curve like face like that, ठीक है. So here is the my v maximum or speed maximum. Okay, so why dv by dt is equal to 0 when speed is maximum? So let draw a tangent to this point. So tangent is that touches on only one point on a curve. So here you can see that at Vmax the theta angle with x-axis is 0. Okay, so theta angle is 0. So tangent of slope tangent of slope is given by dv by dt, and also we have another formula for slope. Tangent of slope is equal to tan theta. So here theta is 0, so tan 0 degree comes out to be 0. This slope also becomes 0. So from A and from B, we can say that dv dt is equal to 0, where we have Vmax, speed or velocity maximum. So that's the concept we are going to use here. Now the next thing, अब we have to find dv by dt. मतलब let it equation 1, let it equation 2, and derivative equation 2 with respect to time again derivative with respect to t, ठीक है, equation 2 we going to again derivative with respect to t. So dv upon dt is equal to, so here's t raised to power 1, so 18 into 1 into t 1 minus 1 minus 3 into 2 t raised to power 2 minus 1. So dv by dt comes out to be 18. So t raised to power 1 minus 1 0, so t0 is equal to 1, so only 18 minus 6 into t. So this is, let be equation, our third equation. Now according to condition, what will be the position of particle when it achieves maximum speed along positive x direction? So for maximum speed we have to condition dv by dt is 0. So put this condition in equation 3. So 0 is equal to 18 minus 60. After we can say that 60 is equal to 18, so t comes out to be 3 seconds. Now we have to find position. So first equation gives us the position. So x is equal to 9 3 square minus 3 cube. So x comes out to be our 3 is a 9 into 9 81 minus 3 cube 3's cube 27. So we get 54 meter. So our A option is correct. Option is our correct answer.